Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Solange. For those of you who are new here, so happy to have you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draft the pattern of a full circle skirt. From your browser, you're going to go to the By Hand London website where you're going to use the circle skirt calculator. Now I'm going to be working in inches, so I've selected that, and we're going to be doing a full circle skirt, so I've also selected that. Mini length, of course you can adjust the length later on, and you just input your waist measurement. My mannequin is 21 inches waist, so that's what I input, and we have a radius of 3¼ inches. It also tells you how much fabric is required and how to lay out your pattern on your fabric. For this tutorial, you're going to need some pattern paper, scissors, marker, ruler, and the measuring tape. From one end of the paper, you're going to start marking your radius from the point. So I'm just marking my 3¼ inches from the corner, going all the way around to the other side of the paper, as you see. Once that is done, you're just connecting the dots. From your marked line, you're just going to measure the length of your skirt. You can be whatever length you want. Just remember to add at least half to 1 inch seam allowance extra. I use 15½ inches for my skirt length, including the allowance. And what I'm just doing there is just marking it from the curved line all the way around to the other end of the paper. Once that is done, we just go ahead and connect the dots as we did for our radius line. So I'm just writing some markings on my pattern so that I can remember how much to cut. So we're gonna put that area on fold. The line that indicates the fabric will be selvage to selvage, and I put ×2 to indicate that we're going to cut this pattern twice on our fabric. Now we're going to be drafting our waistband pattern. Here I'm just marking down 4 inches from the top, because I want my waistband to be around 1½ to 2 inches wide. Next, I'm just marking the length of my waistband, which is 21 inches plus 4 inches for seam allowance. Once we're finished with this pattern, you should have at least 4 inches allowance at the back of the skirt. That is great, especially if later on you gain weight. You can always take out those extra inches. So what you see me doing here is just squaring off my 25 inches by my 4 inches waistband. I'm just using some markings to indicate the length of my waistband so that I would remember. I 21 inches plus 4, which is 25 inches, and indicating that I only need to cut this once. Then you can go ahead and cut out your pattern. And it's that simple, guys. We now have completed the drafting of our circle skirt pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you found this video helpful. Share it with your friends, your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to put this pattern into fabric so that we can make our beautiful full circle skirt. Thank you, guys.